How to hard reset iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to hard reset your iPhone, then go ahead and quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side or the power button until you see the Apple logo. Keep holding even if you see the slide to power off option and release when the Apple logo appears, and with this your iPhone will take a hard reset. So this is how you can hard reset your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.